Hi, I'm Holly. This is Active Lab. In this video, we'll be doing the dancing dumbbell strength workout. You will need a pair of dumbbells and an 18-inch stool. Okay, let's get started.
We're going to start with the goblet squat. Feet shoulder width and a little wider. Hold the dumbbell low. Here we go. We're going to drop down into a squat, swing the dumbbell to chest height, and push back up. We're going to do 20 reps. Push up with your glutes. Push your knees apart when you squat. A couple more. Great work. The next exercise is the piston squat. Feet shoulder width and a little wider. Dumbbell chest high. Here we go. Drop down and then push the dumbbell straight up. We're going to do 20 reps. Push up with your glutes. Don't drop the dumbbell below chest height. Push your knees apart when you squat. Last rep. Way to go! The next exercise is the triple time curls. Bring up one arm and the opposite leg. Ready, and. Now we're going to do curls in sets of 3. We're going to do 24 sets. On 1, put a foot down. On 2, leave both feet on the floor. On 3, bring up the next foot. Keep your gaze up. Keep your upper body tall. At the bottom of each curl, let your arm completely straighten. Terrific. The next exercise is the bicep lunges. Start in your plie. Ready, and. We're going to do 20 reps. Keep your empty arm relaxed. Keep your upper body tall. At the bottom of each curl, let your arm completely straighten. Last rep. Okay, let's switch sides. Let's start in a plie. Ready, and. We're going to do 20 reps. Keep your gaze up. When you bend your knees, you should also bend the back ankle. This is ankle dorsiflexion. Last rep. Great work. The next exercise is the flying monkeys. Stand with your feet close together. Here we go. Just step into second position and raise the dumbbells. We're going to do 16 reps. Push your knees out when you step into second position. Raise the dumbbells to shoulder height and no higher. A couple more. Great work. The next exercise is the dumbbell dips. Start in your plie. Ready, and push the dumbbell up straight over one shoulder. Put the empty arm out horizontally. We're going to do 20 reps. Think of the dumbbell as a water bottle, and you're pouring water down your back. A couple more. Okay, let's switch sides. Start in your plie. Ready, and we're going to do 20 reps. Keep your upper body tall. A couple more. Fantastic. The next exercise is the shoulder press. Stand in second position. Start in your plie. Ready, and push up onto one leg and press the dumbbell up. We're going to do 20 reps. When you bring your legs together, the empty foot should be slightly off the floor. Snap your empty arm to horizontal. A couple more. Okay, let's switch sides. Start in your plie. Ready, and we're going to do 20 reps. Keep your gaze up. Keep your upper body tall. A couple more. That was great. Our finale exercise is the step up lift. Put one foot on the stool and hold the dumbbell high. Here we go. We're going to step into a back lunge, drop the dumbbell behind our head, and then push back up. We're going to do 20 reps. Keep your upper body tall. When you bend your knees, you should also bend the back ankle. This is ankle dorsiflexion. A couple more. Let's switch sides. Here we go. We're going to do 20 reps. Keep your gaze up. couple more. Nice job. Congratulations, you have finished the dancing dumbbell strength workout.